We have the question: an electron and a proton have their masses in the ratio 1:1840. What will be the ratio of their kinetic energies if they have equal momenta? So let us first write the given informations. Mass of electron to mass of proton ratio is 1:1840. Then they have equal momenta. Momentum of the electron is equals to momentum of the proton. Now we are asked to find the kinetic energy of electron by kinetic energy of proton, that is ratio of kinetic energy of electron to kinetic energy of proton. So what we will do, since PE is equals to PP, we can write MEVE is equals to MPVP, right? So from these we can find out ratio of VE to VP. It will be equal to 1840. Then we can find the required quantity, that is ratio of kinetic energy of electron to kinetic energy of proton, as half MEVE square divided by half MPVP square. Half will cancel out from denominator and numerator, and we know ME by MP, that ratio is equals to 1:1840, and we know the ratio of VE and VP, that is 1840, and we have square, so this will be equal to 1840. So you have the required ratio of the kinetic energy of electron to the kinetic energy of proton as 1840. That is your answer.